All right, welcome to this Leadsleap affiliate system review. All right, so I want to talk about Leadsleap and how you can actually earn income for the rest of your life, guys. This is powerful. Now, let me show you how I am making up with this super system. Let's go to my Gmail account. This is my Gmail. Can you see my face and my name there? All right, you see that? That's my Gmail account, and I'll do a little search for you. And I want you to look at this, guys. Just look at this. Can you see the number of referrals that I keep getting to Leadsleap? Can you see that? It's powerful, right? It's just like continuously every day, a lot of people are joining Leadsleap. And let me go to my Leadsleap account. This is my account here. You can see my face here. So that's my Leadsleap account. And let's go straight to, what's that? Where affiliate commissions. And let me quickly show you the commissions. Can you see? Look at that. $11, $13, $13, 11, 13, 13, 11. Do you see all these commissions that just keep coming into my Leadsleap account? So that tells you that you can actually make a lot of money with Leadsleap. All right. Now let's go straight. What is Leadsleap? So Leadsleap is an autoresponder. So don't get that wrong, right? Now, it's an autoresponder, but that is why it is very, very unique, because anybody who wants to make money online must have this tool, an autoresponder. Very, very important for you to make money online. So that means we are marketing to every marketer because all marketers must have an autoresponder. Now, with an what does an autoresponder do for you? An autoresponder stores email leads. Okay, so you are able to build a large email list by with an autoresponder. That's what it does. And to me, this is the best autoresponder in the world, and I'm going to tell you why I say so. All right, now, so when you join Leadsleap, you will get an autoresponder that can store any amount of leads for the same price. That does not happen any other place, right? No, the other autoresponder do not do that. The more leads you get, the more money they charge you. But with this autoresponder, they don't charge you more. You can get up to 1 million leads and you pay the same fee. Now, the second thing that is unique about Leadsleap, it is an email marketing and follow-up system. So once you set it up, it's going to do an email marketing follow-up for you. So which is very, very powerful, right? So it's an autoresponder, is an email follow-up system, and number 3 is a website page builder. Okay, so it builds any kind of website of your choice. It's powerful. As many websites as you want to build. And also this Leadsleap is also a free advertising platform. So let me show you this. Can you see all these ads? So all these people, they are getting free traffic from Leadsleap. That's what they are getting. You see that? So where's that? It just goes away like. All right, look at the adverts. Can you see the advert? So all these people are getting free traffic from Leadsleap, and you can even see my own advert here. You see that? So I have adverts going out for me and I'm getting free traffic. Can you see that over 10,000 visitors have come to my link? So that is another thing you get with Leadsleap. You have free traffic. It's powerful. But the beautiful thing, you will be able to earn up to 50% monthly recurring commissions, guys. It's powerful. Very, very powerful. So how do you join this powerful autoresponder or affiliate system and start making a lot of money for life, right? So you join actually for free. So what you do right now, if you are ready to join Leadsleap, go below this video you are watching right now, just like this. All right, so once you come below the video, go to the first link that says step 1, join Leadsleap affiliate system. Go ahead, click that first link. Now once you click the first link, that will bring you to this Leadsleap page. Okay, now what you just want to do, everybody will join Leadsleap for free. So you can create your, just click on this get your free membership right now and then join Leadsleap. But once you join Leadsleap, for you to benefit and make all this money, you need to upgrade to pro membership. Okay, so you can see me, you can see my name. I am a pro member of Leadsleap. So you immediately upgrade to pro so that you'll be able to earn those 50% commissions. So once you upgrade to pro, you have all the benefits. So you are going to get a fully working autoresponder with email follow-up series. You are going to get a website page builder. You are going to get free traffic, and you are going to earn 50% monthly recurring commission, just like I showed you guys. It's powerful. So make sure once you join Leadsleap that you become a pro member. It's just $27 per month, and then you will now be able to earn commissions just like I showed you, right? You see all these easy commissions that I'm just getting. Can you imagine making commission? Look at all the pro upgrades, all the commissions that are just coming into my account. They can be yours too, because you are a pro member of Leadsleap. So guys, that's how it works. So once you have become a pro member of Leadsleap, go ahead and get your link. So you come down here where it says affiliate link, click on it, and then this is the link that you are going to be promoting. You see that link? That is the link that you give to anybody who wants an autoresponder, and you will start earning commissions with the system. Guys, it's very, very simple. Can you see how easy it is to become a Leadsleap pro member? Very easy. So what you do, like I said, if you want to join my team on Leadsleap and start making income for the rest of your life, go below this video, click that first link, join Leadsleap, and then upgrade to pro. Okay, now if you upgrade to pro, I am giving out free bonuses. I'm actually giving out a free training on how to use Leadsleap to do many things, right? So if you need that, once you upgrade to pro, contact me and I'm going to give you that free training. All right, so with that, I'm done for today. I will see you again. Take care. Bye.